Want to learn how to build a powerful weather app in SwiftUI? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a weather app that pulls real-time data, displays a sleek 5-day weather forecast. This is perfect for iOS developers looking to level up their skills. So this is the actual app. As you can see, you can type in any city. I just typed in Miami in advance. If I click on the button, Get Weather, it gets the weather for today in Miami, and it also gets the 5-day weather forecast for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with actual temperatures. And it also shows if it's going to be light rain, cloudy, clear sky, broken clouds, overcast, or light rain. Just to show you that it works, I'll enter another city, Karachi. Very hot city, 29 degrees. Full sun with a few clouds. And that's the weather forecast for the remaining 5 days. Also, I'll enter London. As you can see, London is much cooler, it's much colder. Then finally, I'll enter another hot city, which is Lagos. 36 degrees, very hot. So this is the application that we'll be creating in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In this tutorial, we will continue to implement our content view to add features such as error message, weather details, and temperature. As you can see here, it includes the city that the temperature is based on, which is London, 9 degrees, so clear sky, humidity. So these are the features we'll be creating in this tutorial. The first one we will do is to display when an error has happened or not. To do that, we implement that on lines or after lines 44. View model, error message is not empty. So if there's a value in the error message variable, that means an error has happened. So we just display the error message to the user. Add a bit of style to the text, make the error text red, add some padding, background color, which is white, corner radius, which is 8, shadow radius, which is 2, and padding, which is horizontal. The next thing we need to do is to display the current weather data, if it's available, that is. So we need to unwrap it. If let weather data equals to view model weather data. Then we populate our VStack with the city name, space on weather. Just add a little bit of style to the city name, font weight, bold, foreground, color, primary, padding, top 20. Make the language translator functional. The first thing we need to do is register for an API key. In this lesson, we will create the downloading translation view. So within the application, when the user enters the text that they want to be translated, for example, if I enter hello, and I want that to be translated from English to Spanish, when I click on translate, you'll see a view above here, which will display the word downloading. Learn to build a language translator apps with SwiftUI Master UI Design, API integration, and hands-on projects. Enroll now and start building. The next thing we need to do, since we have the weather payload, we need to create a HStack to display the additional weather details, such as the temperature and the humidity, spacing 20, text, weather data, dot main, temp, specifier, dot 0, F. On line 66, we just display the temperature rounded to 0 decimal places. Dot font, dot system, size 80. Hold the text. Then we create VStack, alignment, leading, spacing, 8. Text, weather, data, weather, verse, description, capitalize, and A. On line 71, we just display the weather description. If the description cannot be obtained, we just display NA. Dot font, dot title 2, dot foreground color, array. We also need to display the humidity, with the data, main, temp max, specifier, air, L, colon, with the data, main, temp, main, specifier, 0.air, line 76, we display the high and low temperatures. Font.body, foreground color, gray. We just add a bit of padding using .horizontal. So it adds a horizontal padding to the temperature section, and then we just add a text element that shows or displays the following text: 5-day forecast. And this is the functionality we will implement tomorrow, which is the 5-day weather forecast. Font weight, semi-bold, padding, just compile it. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.